So hello everyone, my name is Anmol and today I'm going to tell you a very important thing, a very important scam that is going on Upwork these days, which you guys should be aware of, because Upwork is not spreading any kind of awareness for this particular kind of scam, and which I have been trapped like few days ago. Like on 19th of August and today is 21st. I was like in depression for like 1 or 2 days. I was like really down, like this happened to me and this kind of scam. But let's keep that aside, and now let me tell you what are those scams that you need to be aware of, because as a freelancer you will be dealing with a lot of clients, so you should know who are the best clients to work with and who are like tricking you to just get money, okay, and to just get work and do not pay you. There's few kind of ways that client uses, not all but very specific. This is my first experience in like I think over 200 jobs I have done on Upwork, but this is my very first experience of got scammed by a client. And just to let you know, my profile name is of Rohit Thakur because I started my Upwork when I was 17, and Upwork doesn't allow underage freelancers to work there. So I had to ask my friend to use his name on my Upwork profile so that I can use it. And I am a top rated plus freelancer, as you can see on my profile, 97 percent job success rate. I have made over 100,000 in less than a year and a half. I have started my Upwork profile in 1.5 years ago. So and 141 jobs in fixed hour and 455 hour, which consist I think 30 to 40 jobs. So yeah, that was my pretty much intro, and I do animations like Pixar quality kind of animation. So yeah, let's get back to the topic. So the main point is that there's a client named Roger Jones. He directly sent me offer, which was pretty strange. I haven't like, although I have get direct offers without even discussing what the work is, but this was like strange that he has sent me UI UX offer while uh, I am not a UI UX guy. I am an animator. So I was like, when first I saw this, I was like, okay, this might be a mis like perception of a client that I do these kind of work. I will directly say no to that. So I or then I asked for a reference from him, that do you have any kind of reference. But then he said, I would like to propose an offer. I am like, we have based in Chinese app development team, full stack project, and I need to finance some kind of urgent purpose. Let's say if I pay you $2,000, will you be able to deliver by pay note 550 now? I was like, okay, because I have helped other clients in past, something like that, but I have worked with them. But this guy, I haven't worked with him at all. Like some clients say me, oh, I have a difficulty in like financing my team in India. If I pay you this much, can you pay in INR in this much to your Indian guys? I can like pay you, or I can like have a Zoom call arrange. And like what they do, like they pay you in advance. So what this guy did is he told me that he will pay me $2,000 with 20% fee and all. And then I said, okay, I was like pretty skeptical about this, that what is this guy is doing, because he sent me an hourly offer. And I said, but you need to send me a fixed price offer, because once a client released a fixed price $2,000 or whatever amount is, then if he wants to claim that money back, then freelancer needs to be agree on giving that client a refund, okay. But what actually happens in an hourly contract is the payment goes by after a week, okay. So client has time to cancel the payment within 1 week, but this is not what happened here. Bear with me for like few more minutes, so that I can explain you much better way. He said, okay, I can send you 450 commission just because you find you I need 15,500 now, 1550 now. And he asked me to accept the offer. I said, so let me ask you this, do you know how hourly contract work? I told him straightforward, like I will get paid 5 to 7 hours later, but in fixed price contract I will pay right away, so I want you to do a fixed price rather than a hourly. So he said, look, what I mean is fixed price contract hold 5 days. If I pay you hourly as a bonus, this is the same. He paid me an hourly contract with bonus. And what actually happens is, if I search Upwork hourly contract bonus scam, I was just one search away. See, it's Upwork official page, community.upwork.com. Upwork has mentioned that bonus may be a scam. Client has paid me bonus, but I will get it for sure urgent. Like, looking for urgent action for this might be a scam. Might paid a bonus on hourly basis contract. So yeah, this actually happens. What actually happens is, client can claim the bonus once he gets the once he like pay you within a week, right? So he paid me after all these, he paid me bonus of like 2350 60, whatever the amount was. He paid me and it was showing me in my report section. What actually happens is, he paid me bonus and it was showing in my report section, and I was like, okay, I got paid, so I think I can pay his freelancer. So I then paid his freelancer some amount, which is like $1200. And then I like just searched about this, why this client is being so frank and what is happening. And then I read this kind of articles that all these things are happening, and then I was like, damn, I fucked up. That was my initial reaction. And then I just told him that after all these chats, I just told him that I like, where's the, yeah, I got angry about this, that he's doing these kind of frauds. I said, I understand, but I don't know you. He said, I left a feedback for you. Then I ended the contract, and then I shared the article with him. That looking at the client history, they have paid a few freelancer for their writing, so hopefully it's not total scam, you will get paid. However, that bonus can be reversed and you cannot dispute any payment not received or taken back. It's Upwork official article. I shared that with him, and I said I can't even file a dispute. So he said, oh, that's why you ended the contract, right? I said, firstly, I ended the contract and your end as well. So he said, don't worry, man, I'm a man of my own word. Such a pathetic man. So I don't do bullshit stuff, please check. And I shared the article with him. Now I can't take any refund either, he said. Please check. Even he can, but he was like lying. He said, I'm honest person and believe in hard works and all. Like, he was like just trying to trick me. I said, I understand, but I don't know you. And Upwork is saying they, after ending the contract, you can claim back bonus a week, and I can't do anything with that. But you must see I paid you from my end. I would not claim any refund, man. If you want, I could ask my person to refund your all money. I said, yes, please. What you can do is, you can create a fixed price contract, pay me, and I can wait for 5 days, no problem. I will pay you guys today. I will rely on fixed price contract only, not hourly. Then he said, bro, it's not job, you're just getting upset for nothing. I said, okay, tell me, why didn't you hire me for fixed price? Because paying bonus doesn't require any purpose. Fixed price not usual purpose. So there was like too much heated conversation between he and me. He said, Rohit, please calm down, take a deep breath. I said, okay, let's have a call if you want. Believe I'm never gonna cheat you for a bunch of small money. I'm verified person of work and all, but this bonus won't reverse. I said every bonus is reversible, Upwork is saying and all. So he said, please complete 20k. I say, I'm not going to, unless I then sent him an offer of like a fixed price contract. I said, if you accept that, then only I'm going to. He said, please first pay 20k, then I will accept the offer. I said, no, first you need to accept. I trust you, that's why I paid 90% of the amount. And by now I already like got to know that I sucked. I got scammed. So I said, you have the option, you can just agree, take away. And then He said, look man, I will only accept the offer only you pay. I said, okay, let me talk to Upwork and let me confirm them. So then I talked to Upwork, and then what they say, there's a whole conversation you can see here. I talked to Upwork, then what should I do? He said it's a pending state, it's not like it's done. Upwork said client hasn't paid, it's pending. Client hasn't even made the payment from his end, it's just showing in your account. I said if this kind of stuff is happening on a platform that a client can pay and it will show in your report section that you have earned that money, everyone will see the figure and will think that okay, I have got paid, now I can work with the client and now I can like help the client. Then why are you not like awaiting freelancer about this? I have been working up on Upwork from a year and a half and I haven't even heard about this kind of scam. So why didn't you guys mention that when like freelancer is joining in your terms and condition that this kind of stuff can happen, so please be aware of that or whatever reason. But I cannot like blame Upwork because it's me that that it was my mistake. So it's all I said, or kindly ask you guys to refund my money. So he said okay Rohit, and then he just blocked me. So this scam happened and all this conversation was me with Upwork. I said he blocked me, I'm fucked up. I told to Upwork, I was like really depressed at that time. He said we can have this client reported, I'm sorry for this if happened. This is what Upwork said. So long story short, I got scammed with the client of $1200, which was my hard-earned money from like I have worked like 4 months to get at least to the like particular kind of. So I have worked really hard for like months to get the money, but these kind of scammers like really sucks. With a heavy heart, I should say that I really fucked up, but just so you guys won't get trapped in these kind of scams, I just wanted to document myself getting scammed by this client, and at the same time wants to make you guys aware of this. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And I am also thinking to bring some videos about how to grow on Upwork, how to like approach clients, because this is just one rare experience, super rare I would say, in like 200 project that happened to me. So let's see what happens. So I will wish you guys all the best on your freelancing journey or whatever you guys are doing. Just keep hustling and all the best for your future. Thank you very much for your time.